Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G phone. When it comes to multitasking, Samsung devices stand out with their innovative pop-up view feature. The unique ability allows user to run multiple apps simultaneously, enabling a seamless transition between tasks while enhancing overall productivity. Here go to settings and scroll down and you will find advanced features. Tap on it and here you will find multi window. Tap on it and full screen in a split screen view, and you can see a screen size. Swipe to pop-up view, enable this feature. Full screen mode, you can also resize your window size, pop-up window size. You can easily resize here. Full screen in a split screen view, you can see. Simply swipe and your screen will pop up a screen and size as per your settings. So you can easily use a pop-up view of your window, and multitasking you can use simultaneously. You can see calculator is also open and your other screen is also working. Simply swipe and drag and your window will now multitasking pop-up window. So you can use multiple window simultaneously by using this feature. Look for the app icon at the top of the app. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Open in pop-up view. You can also choose such type of option. So simply swipe and resize your windows as a pop-up window. You can see a various type of feature available here, various type of sizes you can manage. Simply use another app and 2 to 3 app you can easily working in pop-up.